Hi everybody, Anita here, back again with another video, and today I want to talk about something that is very dear to me, which is launching into your live trading account. Okay, so if you have been trading for some time and you've been following me for some time, then you know that I always advocate to start trading in your demo account, because a lot of people use the excuse of having no money right now to not learn how to trade. Okay, so if that was your excuse and finally you've saved up a little money and you're ready to launch into your live trading account, this is for you. Okay, because you're gonna go through an array of emotions when you're transferring from your demo mindset to your live account trading mindset, and I want to talk about some of the mistakes we make in both places. Okay, so I've been trading for some time, and yes, I did start in my demo account for some time. In fact, for about 3 months I was trading in my demo account, and then when I finally launched, I'll tell you what I started, the problems that I started with, so that I can go through so much of a like whirlwind emotional ride when I went into my live trading. Okay, so the first thing I did when I was on my demo account was, my first demo account I was trading with $10,000. Okay, so $10,000 was how much money I was trading in my demo account. And if you know anything about trading, the more money you trade with, the more returns you get. So when I was going into my go into my live account with my $100, I was like, what is this? Get your life. What kind of returns are this I'm looking at? This is crazy. So for the same lot size I was using for my demo account, some of the trades were not even possible to leverage in terms of if I was trading gold, I couldn't trade gold with $100. I could not trade Bitcoin with $100. There's some trades I just could not do with $100 with reasonable risk management. So I advise you, if you've been on demo, talk to your broker or find a way to find a very low demo account trading amount, so that you can have a realistic goal or realistic look at what your returns are gonna look like when you go into your live account. So after my 10,000, I went to 3,000, and that was realistic for me. I also have a 1,000 one, and I couldn't get a 100 one, but those were a bit realistic for me. So when I went to those, the returns I was looking at was something that were a little bit more realistic in terms of now launching into my live account. So do not start with some 10,000, 1 million USD account on your demo. Okay, that is not realistic. Another thing I noticed that I was doing in my demo account that when I went to my live account I absolutely could not do, I would not be able to handle pending orders. So pending orders in trading, especially if you're trading traditional Forex, a pending order is where you're saying the trend of the market is going into a buy, and if it catches, if I'm at a certain level, it can pick me up on the way there. So you place a trade ahead of the market or below where the market is. Okay, so that is a pending order. I could comfortably do pending orders on my demo account because my account size was big enough to let the trade yo-yo. I mean, I was like, very nonchalant about if I get the trade or not. I was not very dedicated to it. So there's something about trading your actual strategy when you're trading in your demo versus your live account. So in my live account, I could not do pending orders. I was literally so fixated with the market. I could only do market execution orders. I literally would go in and watch my account go into a drawdown and then back up again. Like I was like literally on trigger fingers, ready to close the entry, close the trade immediately I could, because in my live account I am not having the same emotions or the same nonchalant attitude I had with my demo account. I was literally, every cent that was going up and down, I was literally ready to either come out of the trade or like whatever, get the amount of money I've gotten and get out of the trade. I was not emotionally ready to let it go up, let it go down. I was very invested. Like money, people say like money doesn't change you, but it actually does. Literally, money changes you, and sometimes it's not in the best of ways. Discipline wise, you feel different in terms of trading when you're trading in your live account, especially in the beginning. So what is my advice to you in terms of trading now? Given my experience in the year plus, I would say trade in your demo for a very short time and just go into your live account, because the emotional instability you will face in the beginning can only be managed by facing it early. So just start, face it, and then manage your expectations better thereafter. So just delve in. Do not waste time in demo so much. I mean, you can still have your demo account even when you're trading your live account. In fact, put in two trades. Put one in your live, put one in your demo, and see how differently you react when the market is going down and up. It will just show you how much money changes you, and it will teach you. Okay, another thing that I realized about, you know, the reality of moving into your live account. The reality of moving into your live account is, to be honest, the sooner you do it, the better, because there's a discipline that comes with, you know, disassociating with the funds that are in that account, and you can only learn that by putting in work early on. Okay, some of the mistakes I made was that one for having a very ridiculous amount size in my demo. Another one was having not using the same strategy as I'm using in my live account. So for example, not being able to handle emotionally pending orders or market execution orders. Like, I would treat them so differently vis-a-vis having my demo account. I was just so free and I didn't care, and I was like, oh, you know, one pip was literally $1,000, whereas on my live account 1 pip is literally 2 cents, you know. Okay, I'm not being realistic, but that is how it felt like the returns were lower. Those are just part of some of the mistakes I had. And the reality of it all is, in trading, I mean, the sooner you can get your hands dirty, the better. The sooner you can get your hands dirty, the better. And I will advise everyone to just launch. Just start. Just start. The sooner you do, the better. And if I can give any parting shot about demo trading versus live trading, manage your risk. That's the only thing I'll say. You are gonna lose money either way, whether you're a big short or a small short, whether you have a big account or a small account. Losing money while trading is an inevitable thing. So manage your risk. Put in very, very low risks, especially if you're in your live account. The game is make more money than you lose. Manage your profits, save your profits, withdraw as much as possible, make some money somehow. If you're losing, make sure you're losing as little as possible. And you know, the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And those are just some of the things I have to say about launching into your live account. So if you are done with trading on demo, raise your hand and I say congratulations. I salute you. Go forth, make money. I'll see you at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.